Kitchen worktop information. Kitchen worktops are flat surfaces used for food preparation and other kitchen tasks. They are typically installed on top of kitchen cabinets and come in a variety of materials, including granite, a natural stone that is very durable and scratch resistant. It requires sealing to prevent stains. Quartz, an engineered stone that is made from crushed quartz and resin. It is highly resistant to scratches and stains and does not require sealing. Marble, a natural stone that is known for its elegance and beauty. However, it is porous and requires regular sealing to prevent stains. Solid surface, an engineered material that is made from acrylic, polyester, or a combination of both. It is highly customizable and can be molded into any shape or design. Laminate, an affordable and versatile option that comes in a wide range of colors and patterns. It is made from layers of paper or fabric that are bonded with resin. Wood, a warm and natural material that is great for cutting and chopping. It requires regular oiling or waxing to maintain its appearance. When choosing a kitchen worktop, it is important to consider factors such as durability, maintenance, and style. It is also important to select a worktop that is compatible with your kitchen's design and color scheme.